take this opportunity to thank you for the National Excellence Leadership Award that has been accorded to me. I'm truly happy. I want to dedicate this award to all the women of Uganda. The second person I want to dedicate this to is the President of the Republic of Uganda, the honorable ministers with whom I work with, the members of parliament, all the leaders across the board. And this is so because I want them to also appreciate and copy. Let them be examples so that they are also accorded awards as many as possible. So I want to thank you. I sincerely want to thank you for thinking about me.
Tusobaka bw'abantu obuwulire nti abantu bakwinamu nnyo obwesiga era basiima by'okola. Global Election Observation Missions is an organization which observe elections, monitor. As an organization, we appreciate individuals, organizations, and companies for those people who have done something to change the image of their countries and the communities they live in.
Kale yoga munnaffe Ssaabaminisita wa Uganda kati minisita wa government